Alright, come here, Bolts. Hey, like or Freddy. Yeah? Yeah? Can Bolts come outside with us? I don't know. Bolts, do you want to come outside? Bark. Sure, he can go back out. Alright, Bolts. Come on. Bark. Alright, so we're gonna race. On your mark, get set, go. Yes! Running, programming. Oh, ow! Oh, my face! Yes, I'm gonna beat them. How the heck? Bark. How'd you do that? Come on, guys. Come up here. Bark. Haha, I'm higher than you, Freddy. I don't care. Bark. Dang it. Bark. Alright, let's go. Alright, so what are you gonna do? Why are you laying down? You should probably know by now. Oh. Bark. Bark. Hello, Freddy. How come you weren't talking before? Because my battery was too low. Hey guys, I'm just gonna have a seat over here. Okay. I wonder why you wanted to sit over there and not over here. Bark. Bark. What the? Where are you barking to? Oh, the pond. So you're barking to go to the pond. Bark. Koi fish. Yep, those are koi fish. Alright. This tree stump is rotting. I know. Race you back. Bark. Alright, this is our Skylander collection. You completed the Skylander collection. Yeah, let's see. I'll point out some characters and you name them. Him. Jawbreaker. Him. Shortcut. Him. Food Fight. Him. Spyro. You know your Skylanders. Alright, you can go back with Like or Freddy. Play. Alright. You guys playing here? Yeah, but you can join. What are we playing? Rocket League. Okay, I can do with that. I'll destroy you. No, I'll destroy you. You're trash. What are you talking about? Alright, time to do one of my... I will destroy you. Yeah, I'm gonna destroy you, actually. Oh, he's getting friends. Okay, my science experiment can wait.